Alright, so it's been running for a minute. So far so good. It hits the wall. This is the new one, by the way. They sent a new one to exchange with. And then it realizes it's hitting the wall over there. And then it's quickly replotting. Like, it's not getting stuck on the wall anymore. So we definitely got a dud the first time. But thankfully they just sent a new one. And this is the corner it gets stuck in, so I probably have to change the wheels around. There's a little diagram that it comes with. 2 of the wheels change. Like, it'll get in this corner and just go back and forth for 5 years. So that is where you have to, like, keep an eye on it sometimes, but looks like it's making its way out. And you can kind of see, like, where it has and hasn't hit yet. Like, it's already gone over this area. That little, that's a dirt spot it hasn't hit yet, but it hasn't done its full hour yet. It's only been for like 5 minutes. But yeah, you can totally see where it's been. It's behaving. So that's a plus. We like when our electronics behave. I think it's set for a round pool right now. But it's getting good coverage either way. Oh, look, it's getting it. It's doing it. It's like, oh yeah, dirt. Nope. Yeah, it did. It went to dirt that it didn't get before. I might just leave it on this pattern. Maybe. If I can get out of this corner. So as you can see, this corner is like, these corners are where it all collects. But that's not too bad. We usually just sweep it before we run the pool bar. Oh, look at that. I think it's gonna get out. Yes. Now we're not swimming in it every day yet because it's still not 100% pool weather. Yeah, this guy's quick on his feet. The other one was like, huh? Wall? What's a wall? I kind of keep going. And this was like, oh, wall? Alright. Go back the other way. And you can see its little flap. When it's ready, it closes that one real quick and opens the other one and pushes it. I'm proud of you, Pulba. Yeah, it's doing good. I'm happy. Thank you, AIPER. I might mess around with the wheel configuration if by the end of the run it doesn't get this spot. But if that's the only spot it doesn't get, that's fine. It's fine with me. I also noticed as it runs, it kicks up dirt, so it helps dirt kick up into the pool's filter, which is good. We have a sand filter, so it agitates the ground as well as it sucks up what it can in its path. Because when it does kick off a wall, it's doing it with a jet propulsion, so it kicks off the dirt in the surrounding area, but it does a good job of picking up the stuff it doesn't kick up. Let's see, is it gonna do it? Oh, so close. Yeah. Happy. I like though that it thinks it's in a circle, because then it kind of can get itself out of this corner. Yeah, I'm happy. The other one, like, it didn't have any problem picking crap off the floor. It just had a problem navigating. So now we got best of both worlds. It navigates and picks crap up. Yeah, see, it just kicked all that dirt up off the floor, which again is good to agitate it in the filter. Oh, yay! It heard me. Or, you know, it's part of its pattern. I think I'll just go right up to 10 minutes with this video, because that's really the longest I've stood out to watch it. After 10 minutes, you kind of go like, alright, you got this. Have a good shift. But this is the longest we've gone without having to interfere with it. We did have to toss it into the middle of the pool from this corner earlier after it did this, because it'll, yeah, it's probably gonna get stuck here, but let me just hook it out. It might be dead. Nope, no it's not. Cool. Like every once in a while it has to stop and think. I don't know what it's thinking about. But it might just be low on battery. I took it right out the box. This is box power. I'll be impressed if it gets itself out of this corner. Sometimes it'll just be here for like 10 minutes. Or at least the old one would be. No, it's gonna get out. It's almost out, dude. Yeah. Oh, just a couple more turns. As you can see, this is a pillow, like a puff side pool. Got very round edges. Yes. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna change the wheels at all. All the other wheel settings, it gets stuck in that corner for like an ice age. Cool. Yeah, and they charge up super quick too. If you think about how much work it's doing for you, just 3 to 4 hours is not a long wait. You get to run it like once or twice a day at that point. We live in the desert, so we try to do it at least once or twice a day. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with this video. Well, with this replacement. Like I said, the first one we ordered, and the jet underneath the logo wouldn't work, so it would literally like get up to one side of the pool, be cool, coming back, and then get to this side of the pool and just keep trying to go through the wall until it eventually realized it couldn't. Alright, yeah. Good video. Good product. I recommend it. It's not the only thing you'll have to do to your pool, but it is like 80% of the work that you have to do to your pool. No hoses, no cords, no bulky things to store or mess around with. Just charge it, plug it into the wall while you sleep. Okay, bye.